In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to unlock all prefab buildings in LEGO Fortnite. Be sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. Now, as you can see, there are some different kinds of places that you can build, such as the Shogun Palace, Majestic Manors. Now, since my village hub right here is in a dry valley map, that means that I am able to actually build what I would like to. That is the Majestic Manors. Now, all you have to do is build a village hub in the certain biome that it needs, and it can be on the edge. As you can see, there's grass right there, so I would be able to build one right there as long as my village hub is in the dry valley. And if you wanted to build the Shogun Palace, you would have to be in the ice biome. That's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.